In this episode of the Reviews Point we'll cover the top 5 best AC adapter that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done. Let's dive into the video. At number 5, Daddario PW Connecticut 9V DC Power Adapter for Pedalboard. This adapter clears your worries about dead batteries in pedalboard. The Daddario PWCT Power Adapter ensures a consistent, battery-free performance when directly powered. In addition, the adapter converts AC wall power to 9 volts DC. Furthermore, this adapter can be used to power tip negative keyboards. Thus, very versatile and powerful to use. The barrel size of this adapter is 2.1 mm. Polarity tip is a negative. Surprisingly, the cord length is 72. Hence, it has a longer range of usage than usual. Moreover, it is available in NEMA, F-plug, and G-plug types. Take note that Daddario Accessories has been leading innovation and problem-solving products for musicians. It is a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. Thus, this adapter will never fail you. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 4, SoulBay 30W Universal AC/DC Adapter, Upgraded Version. The SoulBay Universal AC/DC Adapter is most notable with its full protection. It prevents overvoltage, overcurrent, short circuits, and over-temperature. Also, this adapter has an AC input of 100 to 240 volts 0.25 A 50/60ths of a hertz. A DC output of 3 volts, 4.5 V, 5 V, 6 V, 7.5 V, 9 V, 12 volts maximum. Moreover, it comes with 8 multi-tips and different voltage outputs, which makes it compatible with different kinds of devices. The SoulBay Universal AC/DC Adapter is an upgraded version. The upgrade changed the adapter plugs to a new design. In this way, the plugs are more reinforced and easier to use. With this, the upgrade brought convenience and durability at once. Most of all, the price is extremely budget-friendly. The SoulBay Universal Adapter is only the 30W adapter, which is cheap and highly durable. At number 3, AILKIN 2-port 5 volts 2.1 A fast-charging AC adapter. The most notable feature of this adapter is its 2 ports. Unlike other adapters, only this has 2 slots. In addition, the AILKIN fast-charging adapter features premium performance. It charges 2 mobile devices simultaneously at high speed, thus, saving the user time and hassle. Moreover, it provides safety assurance. It has protection system as well. With this, it protects against overcharging, overcurrents, and overheating. When power is full, it automatically turns off. One thing to take note is this adapter is lightweight. It allows comfortable charging at home or in office. However, this only supports micro USB connection. The AILKIN fast charging adapter flaunts its portability and elegance. Most of all, the adapter has a premium material case. It won't easily deteriorate after months of use. At number 2, ZOZO Universal Regulated AC Adapter 12W12V. The ZOZO Universal AC Adapter has an input of 110 to 240 volts. An output of 3 volts, 4.5 volts, 5 volts, 6 volts, 7.5, 9 volts, and 12 volts 1A maximum. The adapter also comes with 8 multi-tips. In addition, the adapter is compatible with the following: 5.5 x 2.5 mm, 5.5 x 2.1 mm, 4.0 x 1.7 mm, 3.5 x 1.35 mm, 2.5 x 0.7 mm, 3.0 x 1.11 mm, 4.8 x 1.7 mm in micro USB. These are the popular plugs used in daily life. Thus, the ZOZO Universal AC Adapter provides you with convenience. Take note that the polarity is not compatible with all devices. This adapter has a DC plug polarity of inner positive and outer negative. Moreover, a purchase includes a 12W multi-voltage AC adapter with 5 feet cable, 8 multi-tips and 1 iron sheet. The 5 feet long cable gives a longer range of use, thus, once again providing its users convenience. At number 1, Belker 12W12V1A Universal AC-DC Adapter. The Belker Universal AC-DC Adapter has an output of 3 volts, 4.5 volts, 5 volts, 6 volts, 7.5 volts 9V, and 12 volts 1A maximum. It has a key for voltage settings. With this, the user can choose different voltage outputs for their devices. This power adapter also has 8 premium adapter plugs. Also, it includes a micro USB plug. Hence, having a versatile choices of device compatibility. This power adapter is very durable and easy to operate. It also comes with multi-safety protection. With this, it brings safety when in use. Moreover, it features higher energy efficiency. Thus, this adapter is friendly to Earth. With this, it produces little to no greenhouse gases. Both ends of the cord are also augmented, providing durability over long time use. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.